Next up, the most important part. To place a new order, navigate to the menu on the left side, click on Orders and then Add Order. If you already have pre-saved pickup addresses that you want to ship from, then select that address. Alternatively, if the pickup address is different from the saved ones, you can add a new address here, along with the details of the pickup address, contact, operational hours and more, and save it. You also get an option to mark the pickup address the same as the return address if needed. Finally, set the date and time that you want the order to be picked up. Click on Next on the bottom right and proceed to adding the delivery address of the order. Select the recipient type by the consumer or business. The next step is to select the delivery address. You can either select that or add a new delivery address and save it. Additionally, you need to add the details of the delivery address, contact and save it. If your delivery address is the same as the billing address, then select this option. In case both addresses are different, unselect the option and enter your billing address below.